Hi guys, this is Mr. Darkonin. I know I said I was going to make YouTube videos today, and I already made one. This is my second one of the day. Decided to post another one. Basically, I'm going to make a deal with you. Anybody that watches my videos, if you post a comment to my Facebook, or you subscribe or comment on my YouTube page, I'll make a video about you. How I met you, or some funny story I have with you, or something. Everybody that's on my Facebook, I would assume knows me pretty goddamn well. So yeah, I don't know. I think it'd be a pretty fun little game. If you comment to any of my pages or anything, I'll make a little video about how we met and what we did. Sound fun? It's Mr. Conan out. Have a good day, guys.